Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to merge two Facebook pages. If you've been managing two Facebook pages and want to combine them into one, here's exactly how to do it. Facebook only allows merging pages that share the same name and represent the same thing. If your page don't have identical names yet, you can request a name change for one of them first. Once approved, merging becomes possible. They must also share the same address if they're for physical locations, be under the same business manager account, and the page you're merging from shouldn't be a primary business manager page. Keep in mind, verified pages can't be merged with unverified ones, and global pages can't be merged either. Now here's how to start the process. Log into Facebook, click your profile photo at the top right, select See All Profiles, switch into the page you want to use, then click your page's profile picture again. Go to Settings and Privacy, select Settings from the left menu, open Page Setup, then beside Merge Pages, click View. Next, choose Stored Requests under Merge Multiple Pages. If this option doesn't appear, that means your pages don't meet the requirements. So double check the details first to ensure your page qualify before submitting your merge request. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.